You already brushed your teeth? Oh no. What's going on, guys? Good morning. It is a true day off for me. My kids ended up not going to school because of a COVID thing today, so I literally got to sleep in. And I slept for like 11 hours, because that's what we as adults do. When we push our bodies to the limit, we then have to sleep. So I think I went to bed at like midnight last night. I did my hair, I edited some videos, and I didn't even go to bed until like midnight. So then I got up at 11. It felt so good. I don't regret any minutes of it. Anyway, so I'm finally up. I am about to fix some breakfast, but I need to open up this tripod that is in one of these Amazon boxes. So I'm about to do that so I can use it and properly film for Vlogmas, okay? Get some better angles. There we go. We have a little tripod for my camera. I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. Yes. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. It's not the same as my cousin's. It's not the same as hers. Like hers, like she pushed her phone in there and it like clicked on her phone. And that was amazing. But I didn't get the same one. I thought I got the same one. I'm so sad. But I probably could just buy the little part for it. Like to go on there. Fuji Tech. So nice. Alright, I have to go get my food. Because it's probably almost finished cooking. And I'm up here talking to the camera. It's chilly outside. December out cheer though. Hello, December. It's cold. I'm actually headed up the road to get my sister. So, I live with my parents, and my sister and her husband and her kids live about 10 minutes away from us, 15 minutes maybe. But so when I'm off and my kids don't have school, and my sister's kids, I usually say, hey, do they want to spend the night? Because they're all just so close in age and they play well together. And then that way I can get what I need to get done and they can be entertained. Everybody is happy. So anyway, I'm going to get her and her youngest son. I'm going to pick them up and then we're just going to go back to the house and chill. I put my Mississippi pot roast in the crock pot. I'm super excited about this. I saw it on a video, not a video, but the kitchen on Food Network, that show The Kitchen, where they do just different recipes, easy recipes for at home basically, and how you can make something like gourmet style at home or whatever, or just really just yummy stuff just delicious stuff at home, basically. So and they had the lady on there who started the recipe, the Mississippi pot roast recipe, like on Pinterest, and she like got the first person to get like a million views on like a Pinterest post or something like that. Like it was like some milestone, and it was the Mississippi pot roast. So, and I'd never seen it before. My friend at work had told me about it. Like her mom makes it all the time, and like she really loves it. So I was like, oh my gosh, like I really want to try it. So today's the day. Like it's cold outside. I want to do crock pot, something easy. Hopefully my kids will love it as well. I added onions because I love onions. They're freaking delicious in everything, and especially in crock pot things, because they just cook down and they get all delicious and sweet and yummy. So that's in the crock pot. And then I actually have a video call, like meeting later on today for work that I have to be on, because you know the holidays coming up and I work in catering, and that's, you know, Christmas is a big holiday for us. So, you know, we have like weekly meetings and I have to be on that later, and then I can actually start the things that I need to do, you know, probably like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But it's fine. Everything's fine. This is how a day off goes, okay? This is what we're doing on our day off. And I'm actually loving it. I'm having a really good day.
Are we vlogging? Oh, I did it. Vlog. Amigamas! I watch videos. I support.
Yes. What's going on, guys? So it's an afternoon, got caught up watching a movie on Netflix with my family, but that's cool. You always need family time. Now I need to go ahead and edit another video for another day of Vlogmas. My girlfriend made this super cute like intro for our Amigamas. So all 3 of us basically are doing Vlogmas this year, like to kind of just encourage each other to work on our channels and do more videos and post more and stuff like that. So kind of like to jumpstart that, we all decided to do Vlogmas, and she made this cute little intro. So I'm so excited to put it in my video, and yeah. Super excited. I'm so happy about today that I just like literally got to do nothing today and like just relax and like just do nothing. And the day is not over yet. It's only like 5 o'clock, which in wintertime, like at 5 o'clock, it's dark. So it always feels like it's later than what it is, but it's not too late just yet. So I'm just gonna get like a jump start on like the couple things that I want to do for the rest of the day. I'm gonna do some laundry. I'm gonna finish straightening my room. I just made my bed. I didn't put away like my boxes and stuff. And oh, and I got something in the mail, and I'm gonna go get it out of the mailbox. But it's for my planner for next year, my 2021 planner, which is going to be another Archer and Olive. I love my current planner, my current bullet journal. So I'm going to plan out that video. That's going to be definitely part of Vlogmas, like, you know, what I'm going to do for that. So I just want to plan out my collections and the pages I'm going to use, so when I go to sit down and do the video, I can just boom, kick it out. It'll be perfect. But you know, when you make a plan ahead of time. Anyway, I'm going to edit this video hopefully pretty quickly and do some laundry, do some straightening up here and there. Probably do a 20-minute tidy after I get, I might like edit the video and then do a little tidy after. This is actually kind of cute. I actually kind of like it. If I had somewhere to go other than work, it'd be great. But I don't. I'm just going to work. So it's going under a hat anyway. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. Another Vlogmas down, another day closer to Christmas. Today is the 7th, December 7th, so another day closer to Christmas. Thanks for watching this Vlogmas. Hope you guys are enjoying it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.